where are we going? That one, right? Alright. Yes, the train night market. We're here in night market because this area used to be a train station. Just look around. You know the vibes, the vibes. Do you want to have a look?
Moonwood on a side, once upon a time.
So, me and Angela, we met in Bangkok and now we come to Suan Luang Rama there, the train terminal. We come here to go to the train night market because the night market is a kind of popular in Bangkok. And now if you come here, I feel like if you come to Bangkok, I want to get a chance for you to come and visit here. See a lot of things. We just walked down to the train night market, right? Yes. We just walked down there. So I think maybe we go this way. Yeah, we go down there. Huh? I said my brother. Your brother? Angela leading the way. So Angela, where are we going? That one, right? Alright. Good. Yes, the train night market. We're here, but we have to wear the oil, right? Yes. Okay. Let's go.
Come along with us.
Yeah, come along with us.
Yeah, I think I'll buy fruits or something.
Okay.
Smoothie at least inside.
Alright. We are here. Train night market. Train night market because this area used to be a train station, right? Look at the vibes. It looks cool. Just look around. You know the vibes, the vibes. The back.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. You can fit even a whole laptop in there.
That one, the bottom one is also looking.
Yes. Nice. Actually, I like this place. I feel relaxed. Even if I didn't come to buy anything, just
come and
walk around.
Window shopping.
Yeah.
You just walk around.
20 baht, 50 baht.
Yes.
But I don't like that.
The wind is like cold.
Best time of the year to come here.
Yeah. Otherwise, when you come during the summer, it will be so hot. Yeah, the shoes there. So many shoes. Wow, here, bro. So many shoes. Do you want to have a look? So many shoes. This side also. So many shoes behind us.
Yes. I couldn't catch everything you said. But okay. Let me picture.